This is it. This is it. This is the brush. This is the one. It's the beauty blender. It's the bronzer. It's the eyeshadow. It's the eyeliner. Eep. There you go. It's everything. It's mine, and I recommend it. The 4-in-1 multitasker brush, probably the most essential makeup tool that I've had, and there's nothing like it on the market. It comes in this super cute little Ziploc baggie, which keeps it pretty mess-free in my bag. The first side of the 4-in-1 multitasker brush is this really, really soft brush side. Perfect with any powder, bronzer, whatever. Second side is the sponge side, which I've never seen anything like this before. It is replaceable. Now this is the fun part. All you have to do is just screw off the two ends. I like to use this one for eyeshadow, and I love to use this one for my eyebrows. Literally the best thing that I've ever seen.